Okay, so here's a mock-up, quick, dirty prototype of a thing I made. And the Saber is just there for kind of for show the idea. But basically what it is a Saber Diagnostics unit. And we'll go ahead and turn it on. I think it says initializing and then ready or something like that. I can't remember what I put. I'd have to check. But then it runs through a series of several graphs and graphics just to kind of look like, you know, it's reading information from the Saber. And this came about just trying to learn how to do some code and with Arduino, and so I picked up the screen because I thought it was cool, and then this is running on a Pro Mini, a very tiny Arduino. As a matter of fact, I didn't even put it back on this unit, so I'll try and turn it around without any danger here. And there you can see it's just quickly mocked up. The screen is taped in. I can take it out really easily if I do want to make a real unit. And then here's the Pro Mini, and that's powering and driving the screen. And then we got the latching push button and 4 batteries. So I think these are 1.2, so 4.8 volts running this thing. And I did the graphics. It took about, I don't know, 3 days of research and coding. But I learned a lot. Learned how to do a lot of things with Arduino, which was really cool. So yeah, and I designed them to kind of look like, you know, have that Star Wars feel, with the yellow and the red from kind of similar to the targeting computers in X-Wings. But yeah, that's my latest invention, I guess. Thanks for watching.